Mursa chiguna nondu turangambal ni nondu bonua. Chiguna turangambal na Tui Naceva. Na chuchuwa turangai na dolas na chuchuna turana Tui Tabuya. Balsasa na chuchuna turana Tui Nambugelebu. Nambala na chuchuna msambal turana Tui Nakasa. Sara chutalangan na marama minsta na rana tudau. Chutalangan na company bina na poly products. Andro na bailaw takana chuna nonda may chuna lomani singa tuluga. Chutalangan na tisa murchuna turangan na marama. Chuna liluni tambalakalawa turangan na marat. Labuta tomanda chuna bikindaba kena bakundra na marama na presidente ni Kadavu Rugby Union na singa totoka ni lebu na kena baro may durumitale na nandra valibo ni banganga yang ononda toni balanganga na matatimi baturanga ni nundua sana berangani gay usa labuta chuba lek sar na bikindaba ki murundu turanga marama na bugum na singa lebu sariban chana kirlebu sale sureta chuna iluni tambalala na marat man ramay ngarabrando na luto nimber ningay may ndolabit ko na pali.
Na watu era rata na mateni vale sa aldo mai one day ni tutu ni vale. Dan uitakan ni na one day ni tutu ni vale ni loma ni vale na Kristo na buru-buru ni kau-kawa. Ena yada ni kaluna temanda kena lubena kena yalo tamgu sandona da masu. Mami sa dambora vike muni na valengo. Na buru-buru ni nondra wako koyango na dhorbo enandeli ni bonongo muni roko vike na Kristo. Sa dabuti na vai chisu na ne mami turanga kane mami wakambula. Amen.
Kirina ngona kame may ngaragyan biwasal sultaki. Naka sana le street search kuna turang Tui Naceva dongan na nonre tabi laga nimber ni kay kuchibich kuna katuma mendola bigan na bale.
Sa chunga na turangan na marama na minsta nilabukundro ka na turang bale kay Kadavu obya tau na posa ni baga binibinaka bukan libsar ina sasanga yanga obaya do rechuko beira na itambangoni Kadavu ina tamba dorubo tambangoni Kadavu ina ndela ni ngauna endandonu yechukoka ina ngauna ni namu itutu baga minsta Kadavu chelibu na baga binibinaka kerei chukura bibo sochi nilipokundruka na turang bale ki Kadavu kerei tambangoni Kadavu nanu mo baya dora chukuna daga bimbi miali ni baya dora rao indo na daga baya dori kina nomu baka bachuke suna daga bimbi beke mi Kadavu obya tau da kena bosa ni baka bilbinaka kena bibo sochi yana singani kilau o sibi talangana na viera sa chuko kai na buku ningele au ngandreba me una bara Tikina na baka binaka vera to na banua raurochi. Ina buku ni kena sa suli rauchi ko indona chikiningele. Ina buku ni kena nanumi chiko ni tambangoni Kadavu. Nondra ngarabi ina biar mbaleta na kena ngarabi chiko ni tambangoni na ba kau taki kena mai suli nangele kena vale za ndandro. Mbaleta na nondra bukei ina bitambangoni sa chiko manda. Na buku ni tubo satu membale chivichi. Sana dhambe dhake kienda ponua baturang Kadavu. Pabino bina tagi chuki kienda ponua baturang raurochi. Ina dola si wana turang na Tui tabuki. Ina buku ni baka sama mbimbi sama ibakan donu ichuki ndona chikinigele. Ena gai tumbeka na kena itabi, na gai baka dhuri, na baka dhoko tagi kia baka binaka, baka tau dhoko tagi kia na baka ibola. Mbaleta nangele. Mursama isulia chiko na turanga. Ay tau kinigele na pono raurochi na buku na dola si. Ina buku Kadavu talanga. Amai todo chukindo na bosa, mena wabini bina katagi chukana maraman minista rongo ditali chukana pono raurochi na biar todo ke ngandria batu. Na itambangoni ningilabu, mena tumberi daki kena itambangoni, ina itambang tamata sa chukuni ningilabu Kadavu. Amai todo chukindo na bosa leka. Unita gila chukuni dan dua bata tau do chukoke, dan masuta chukuna kalau na bibuke, kena sasanga taki kavaka taki chiko. Na bitambangona sa chukuna ndamata. Urumai chukuna ke umai todo chukindo na bosa. Ibaka binibinaka na bungbung ningilabu. Pa binibinaka taki chuko baka lebu na minista, bungbung ningilabu saba di chukuna kanili.
Sa sulit sa chuna turambale na presidente na Rugby Union murona turambale batana mara minista andara ni mutsangole dake ken lain dola chuna bale.
Buki nga mai, buki. Mai taltala. Dua, rua, tolu. Naka. Na valeu. Lynda besar na katumba turang Tui Naceva, dola. Besar. Ay, wala ni lama mai. Everyone that's watching here today, welcome. Welcome to Kadavu Rugby House that will be housing our gym as well as our office. Welcome Fiji. Welcome to all our supporters and everyone watching in live today. This is our gym and our office in the corner. This is officially known as the Kadavu Rugby House. Kadavu is the first provincial union to own a gym. We are the newest union, provincial union to form in 2024, and we are also the only maritime union. But to be able to achieve this, we have a lot of people to thank. First of all, to the Vanua. I want to thank the Vanua, to our chiefs, our 9 Tikina chiefs, who through the Mbosi Vanua decided that Kadavu Rugby will stand. Secondly, I want to thank Navanua Rauroche, Turana Tui Naceva, whose land upon which this building sits, and they have also let us use this building, this lovely building, for this gym. The equipment, I want to thank the Ministry of Youth and Sports for their donation of the first lot of equipment that came a few weeks ago. And then, of course, the rest of the equipment is my own personal donation from me and my family. We are just very thankful that we've reached here today. We want to acknowledge our sponsors who've supported us in the Southern Rally, to Poly Products, G2 and team, it's lovely to see Ratu and Greg and Jack here, and Photo being here for the Southern Rally for the last 3 days. And we also acknowledge TISA Insurance for their support as well in helping us to bring the rest of the stuff, including the gym mats they bought for us, and other support that they will be providing as we set up the gym. So this is it. Let's have a look around. As you can see, they're pretty heavy duty equipment that we hope will last for ages, for many, many years. Right here. So that's Tui Naceva and the Tala there. Beautiful. Tataka. That's the president of Nakasaleka Rugby, Mangu Chalen Bikoro, Turan Piyawe, Ram Pinakasa, Binawalewu. Naka. Pata sabi kam do beba kuko yang to kambo to na to sa machine. Yes. It's a small place, but it's a beginning. We are hoping that the Fiji Rugby Union HPU will come and set up here. That's the plan. Hopefully in the next year, we invite HPU to come along and make use of this space. Thank you. And declare the high performance academy. That's the goal, Naka. But we are calling on all our supporters, all of you that are near and far. Please support our road to Skipper and Marama. Of course, as always, we need funds. We've been self-sustaining so far. We have Poly Products who come on board for the Southern Rally. We have TISA Insurance that is supporting us in our pre-season into Skipper, as well as Accelerate, our official brand ambassadors or brand suppliers. We are largely self-funded, and we invite our supporters to please, we'll be having cover barrels and fundraisers. Please purchase a ticket or 10 to support our effort. We are now in the Skipper, the newest kids on the block. We have a lot to prove, but I believe we can do it. Well, believe that's it. We have to now go to the last day of the Southern Rally. So please tune in live. It's the final day. The draws are on our Facebook page, KRU Facebook page. And tune in to cheer for your Tikina. And we hope for the best for the winner today, and also for the selection and announcement of our extended squad to the Skipper at the end of today's tournament. So tune in live and enjoy the show. And thank you, Divine Home Group, for sponsoring our live stream all the way from America. Navale Puasa, Tilomachi, Koritamana, Puasa Koritamana and team, Binakapakalevu for supporting us for the live stream in the last 3 days with KVT Sports. Tune in, we look forward to seeing you. Vinaka. Mwade.